You really want at least 20 accounts on your credit report. And if you're going for bank funding, you don't want no more than, like, when it comes to hard inquiries, you don't want no more than 3. But if you're doing credit card, you can have several. You can have several credit cards and still get a new credit card. So before you guys jump over to business, creating an LLC and trying to get business credit, you gotta make sure your personal credit looks good, right? You need credit. You need credit on your personal side. What I'm saying, like, a lot of people don't have credit on their personal side, so you got to build up that credit on your personal side as well before you jump over to business. Comment credit, and I'll send you the free resources.